Hello. I just came 10 minutes before online. Let me see who is watching and then I will just share it in my timeline also so that people who likes to join can come. This is keeping a check and mate in sales strategies, right? That is what is advertised. I don't see anybody actively participating. In another few minutes, let me start the game. I joined my live video. I shared it in my Facebook timeline too. So anybody who likes to raise a query or share a view or guide me, all so many professionals are connected in my timeline. They can please come up with their strategies. I love to play the game. Right. Fine. So how many of you watching me live? I just waited for a couple of minutes and I started way back 10 minutes before for check and mate in sales pitches, right? So, what is a check and mate in a sales pitch we are going to see today? We are going to see some couple of strategies indeed on what is a check and mate in sales. Okay. So, can I start? I don't know how many of you are watching me live. Just tell a hi. Fine. So, what is a check and mate in chess? So we all know that. And one more thing, I'm not a chess player at all. I just play the sales game and I know a little bit of chess game, but I'm a volleyball player, volleyball and throwball player, and I have captained so many matches on behalf of the school and my university. But game is a game, right? So what is a check and mate in chess basically? When the player's king is kept in check and mate and he has to face a threat, we say that that player's he is in check and mate, right? That is what normally in chess they call check and mate, right? So can you all guess what is check and mate in a sales pitch? I don't know how many managers are watching me live, and there are professionals connected, there are entrepreneurs connected, there are industrialists connected, aspirants connected. If from so many places the people are connected with me. So this is a professional sales game. I am not a chess player, but I'm a sales game player for the past 23 plus years into corporate pitches. So taking cue of that, we are going to play a check and mate game today. So as I told, checkmate is a position in chess where the player's king is in check and there is no other option of coming out of the threat. That is what the opponent is keeping upon the player in a chess game where two people are playing, right? So this is in general for people who question me that whether I know what is a check and mate in chess. One person is watching me live. Hi, and thanks to you, whoever it is. If you can tell a hi, I will be happy to receive you into the game. Right. We all play so many corporate games, right? So check and mate in sales is nothing but a salesperson keeping a check and mate with his performance appraisal, with his values, with his code of conduct, with his attire, with his disability or inability to sell. So why we are in a check and mate as a salesperson? Because we do not know to predict the sales pitch. There are so many types of check and mate available in sales strategies. So what is a check and mate is sales is in general it is check and mate is a condition where the player's king is completely trapped by the opponent player. Similarly, apply here in sales. When you are trapped by the competitive company sales manager, competitive company product, competitive company market affair, then we are in check and mate with the strategies. We are in check and mate with the targets. We are in check and mate with the accomplishment of our appraisals. So how to overcome this is the first clue. And as I told in the advertisement, actually I advertise my channels in different ways because all the viewers has to know what I'm running. Basically, I'm a professional consultant and soft skills trainer by profession with more than 23 plus years of experiences in India, Oman and UAE. This is in short about me. I have more to learn, correct, perfect and perform. Always I love to be a learner and I learn from even a little kid till a old person. But if I'm wrong, I surrender. If I'm not wrong, I never give up. Okay. Harmoniously, I try to prove that I'm right. That is keeping a check and mate with your own ability, with your own capacity, with your own blemish to predict first before predicting the game of other person. Try on the product and the market. Try to be a good player of your own characters. Try to be a good player in judging your own deep performances. Why do you fail? Why there's a check and mate in general chess? Because opponent player is so smart in cutting your king, right? So that is where we fail. We are in check and mate in the chess game. But in the sales game, there are two chances. The opponent player is very capable of keeping a check and mate only through his value the company has created upon the customers and the market. Number two, they keep a check and mate. There is a check and mate to every other sales manager. How many sales managers watching me? Kindly tell a hi. So there is a check and mate, okay, from the opposing company salesperson or sales team or the competitive company in the way of pricing. If their products are of good quality or low quality or poor quality, but the price is extremely capturing the attention of the buyers, then there is a check and mate for our target performances. So how to overcome? And third, we as a salesperson, we are lacking behind in trapping the correct customer. As I told you, if you are going to go and speak about the 500 dirhams or 500 rupees product to a person who is earning 3000 dirhams salary or who's a laborer in India or any other market, then there is a check and mate which we are keeping to ourselves as a salesperson on our disability to predict the people, the product and the market and how to sell. Okay, so that is where we fail multiple times in not able to correct our blemishes. This is what the check and mate in sales pitches. So what is the strategy to overcome this game. As I tell, every day we play a sales game in the pitch, right? Every other customer is a very good lesson for us. So every market is a brilliant lesson for us. Are we opening up to our blemishes, having earned lots of years of experiences into professional markets? This is what keeping a check and mate in sales pitches. This is a very famous topic which I address in my training cabins, and I was addressing to one of the Oman Arab Bank in Salalah. So that was a very good session. This check and mate was attended by almost 240 to 250 managers and team together. So thank you to them for those. So I thought, let us play a chess strategy game today. This is a very wonderful topic. So when you go inside the topic, you will have lots of strategies. Let me take a moment to support my throat and come back to you and just continue our game. Easy. So this book is a wonderful book. This is an eye opener by Richard Shell, no? Bargaining for Advantage. As I told, as a salesperson and as a good player, because if not chess, I play various other games, right? It's like volleyball, throw ball. So if the opponent player is very smart, we cannot congratulate on the field, but we can hug and tell, hey man, you played well. Okay, so the same pricing game Richard Shell is giving you in that. This is a wonderful book for people who are aspiring to take some clues from me. So Bargaining for Advantage by Richard Shell is a wonderful book. You can pick this book from any of the Amazon, or Amazon is now a lot of drama. I don't know what happened, because of the COVID we are not getting it on time. So .ae may be okay, but .com we are facing some issues. Right. So let me take a moment to support my throat and come back to you. As I told, normally I frame the strategies before I sit for training, because even if there is no audience, I should be a good player to myself, right? So I have framed everything. Let me share one by one. And one more definition I just read in Check and Mate. In a chess game, the king is never captured, but the player loses as soon as their king is checkmated. That is the thing. So, but there are so many market kings available in the market. The one clue is, do not think that you are the king. Think that you are one among the soldiers to win the game of sales. That is my humble thing. As I told, don't be the boss if you want to. Don't boss the team if you want to be the boss for centuries. A good boss never boss the team. A good leader leads the team. Okay, he lives the game and he plays the game sitting in the place of the opponent and also in the place of the winner, right? That is where makes you a class strategy, I will tell you today. So to win the sales check and mate game, you should be sitting in both the chairs of the opponent and the winner as well. As I told you, walk a mile in the client's shoes is the strategy which should be put in this sales game of check and mate, right? So that is strategy number one. If you want to win the sales game, you should know the condition of sitting in both the winning seat and the losing seat. Then you will understand where the really what is wrong, why we lost the game, really why he lost the game. As I told you, there are three check and mates to every other sales manager. One is their own team. If you are a class manager leading a team, you should be able to shuffle your team members very well. You should be able to pick very wisely the performer, the leader, okay, the giver, the taker, and very very important thing in a team is the one who replaces every other person in place of their absence. If you have one, and one more clue is, as a very successful sales manager, it is not for pride and boast. If I have to play a chess game, as I told you, I should know the rules and conditions of chess. That is self understood. Like that, if you want to be a sales manager, as I told you, is one of the business partner in a polyclinic in Sharjah, is capable of taking the seat of a receptionist, a sanitary worker. I have seen him clean the wash basin stuff inside a surgeon's room. So that type of entrepreneurs are very rare to find. So he is a class player of his business game, because he is sitting in every other chair of his employees. So he will find out what is the wrong and what is the right point there. So if you are a sales manager who is in charge to answer why your strategy failed, why you are not able to win the market, the first check and mate you have to keep to within yourself and your team is, you have to find who is the loser in the inside the team, who do not know the rules and conditions, and who do not know the game rules, and who knows the rules very well. That is number one. And as a manager, if you are the person who can replace your team member in any condition, then definitely I will tell you, you have understood the sales pitch very correctly. That is the correct strategy. Walk a mile in the client's shoes is can also be quoted as walk a mile in your team shoes. So as a manager, kindly don't sit inside. Retail managers can never sit inside the cabin. That is understood. Otherwise, they'll be out of the market in no time. I mean both banking, financial, every other market. Any leader, any team member, any manager who's leading a team has to sit and has to face every other market pitch. If a person which is in charge of you and who is a team member is coming and telling, sir or ma'am, this place is not, usually I tell my team to call me as Priya. I never allow them that ma'am, madam is a word I hate, because nobody is sir and nobody is ma'am. We all are learners, we all are equally talented. As I told you, for every talent that is one master talent available. So I will tell what is, they'll come and tell, Priya, this is where I cannot sell, I do not know what is wrong. So instead of yelling up at them, you have to go to that place in person to just confirm their prediction is right. That is what making you a class manager. And coffee meeting corporate strategies, right? So my daughter has given me a coffee, hot coffee, thanks to her. So fine. So now what we are going to, we are dealing with check and met in sales pitches, right? So as I told you, first strategy is keeping a check and met with your own blemishes. Second strategy is go and predict what is wrong. Third strategy is what is inside a team, how do you shuffle. Fourth strategy is, if there is if there is a complaint, or if there is a mal performance, or if there is a dull performance, you have to take the responsibility into your shoulders as a sales manager leading your team, and go see in person whether the prediction is right or wrong, whether you can overcome the prediction yourself, or you need a support from the management team, or you have to predict whether you need a support from the finance team, the product marketing team, the manufacturing team, the marketing team. Go sit and speak with them what's wrong, whether the pricing is wrong, the product quoted is wrong, the quality of the product is wrong, or the advertisement strategy is wrong, you're not able to mingle and mix and attract the customers, or what is the place your product has been kept in the supermarket shelves. If you are a retail manager, if you are a banking, or if you are a finance product selling manager, what type of interest your bank is offering, if it's a salary transfer, if it's a business loan, if it's a corporate business loan, if it is a personal loan, if it is a housing loan, if it's an automobile loan. All these things makes you a class performer. So these are all the strategies is called check and met in winning the sales pitches, right? Let me take a 2 minutes break. This is a coffee meeting corporate strategies. Definitely we should have the coffee. Cheers to you. Melita is my favorite brand than Nescafe. Next to Nescafe, of course, we have Starbucks, we have Mug and Bean, we have Cinnabon. We have Tim Hortons. Lot of outlets are there in Abu Dhabi. I had a plan of meeting class managers there, but COVID has kept a check and met. No, that is what I'm trying to tell. That COVID has kept a beautiful check and met. Okay, this is a check and met from nature and God to humanity for all the atrocities we have been doing against nature. Right? That check and met first we have to overcome and win the COVID game. Then only we can meet in any of the leading coffee outlets with corporate managers. That is my humble share. Let me wait 2 or 3 minutes for anyone to join. You can raise your questions, you can share your views. Till we just cross the check and met kept by COVID. No, we have to meet online only, not possible to meet it in person. Some messages are here. Maybe it's my own, right? This coffee meeting corporate strategy is a huge plan from my side. I have the idea of branding this as a coffee meeting corporate strategies from Let's Sell Successfully into the long run. Let me see how much I can achieve. As I tell, as a professional salesperson, I don't want to fail. I want to learn. That is the attitude difference. We don't fail, we learn. Okay, we don't get defeated, but we get predicted. We predict. Once you that king is kept in check and mate only, the player understands where he has gone wrong in the game. Likewise, also in the sales game, what is the check and mate, whether it is from the product, from the market, from the pricing, or from the quality of sales pitches you're choosing as a manager or as a salesperson, you lack the professional quality behind winning the sales game. That is the best strategy you have to predict for yourself to win the game of sales. Okay, this is a master clue. I think I've been live for 23 minutes and 13 seconds if I'm not wrong. So I'm just closing in another 7+ minutes with another 3 strategies in winning this sales game or coming out of the check and mate, which is kept to us as managers, right? Fine. What is the next strategy? Because as I told, I started 1 hour a day. Okay, 3 days for Let's Sell Successfully, 3 days for Vanga Sales Peslam in Tamil. Then I reduced to 15 minutes, then half an hour. Finally, I came to a conclusion that I don't compromise the quality. I have that quality. I always try to go one step above and above and above in each and every of my performance. That is how I play my sales game as a successful manager and trainer for years. If you are not faced yourself as a manager, I cannot become a trainer for all the leading managers out there. So what is the best strategy I have predicted is looking for a common ground. I'm speaking on the best strategy to come out of the check and mate, the product, market, and people are keeping for your targets, right? For that, you have to look for a common ground, how it might serve the other party's interest to help you achieve your goals. Okay, and then this can be broken down as follows. This is a technical strategy. If you are not into sales, it's difficult to understand, so let me simplify it. You have to look for a common ground where you went wrong or where you did not play the sales game correctly. What is the common ground? It's very common. It is the sales pitch you have chosen. Your attire may be unpleasing, or you may not have used your perfume. You have just used your seeker, and you have forgotten to use your mouthwash. Especially this happens with managers who enter women professionals or women entrepreneurs or women CEOs or whatever it is, no, they lose the credibility. So a lot of things I have shared in this Let's Sell Successfully Facebook page on body language, attire management, eye contact, how to just perform yourself, how to stand outfit from every other manager who's successful on field. For me, if I take a game, I will only win. Otherwise, I never touch. And in case if I lose, I will chase my opponent to know how did he won the game. What is his plus? Okay, which minus of mine met is plus, so that my king was in check and mate from him. Okay, so that is what the strategy we ought to follow as a sales manager to win the check and mate kept in the sales pitches. For that, we have to look for a common ground, how it might serve the other party's interest to help you achieve your goals. Okay, to help you achieve your goals, you have to break down the strategy, master strategy into two, which is identify the decision maker. Who is the decision maker? Whether your company has given you the whole permission that yes, we understand this emirate, this product is very difficult to sell. You take Fujairah, you take Ras Al Khaimah, there are a lot of undeveloped areas available. There you go and you want to sell a platinum card and your company is fixing as a sales target for 240 cards per month and 40 cards per salesperson. Then definitely as a manager, I will not accept. I will go and argue there is no chance at all. If you want corporate loans, that's a very good area. You say Dubai, Jumeirah, then that is a class area for this target. So that is how you have to break down the strategy. Then identify the decision maker. Why did you lose the strategy game, or why did you lose the sales pitch? Why did you lose the sales game? Why you are not able to pick up the targets? You have to sit and analyze whether the company has given you the proper decision making skills as a manager addressing a team. That is number one. Okay, for every small sales pitch failure, I cannot be calling the CEO of Citibank and ask, I'm not able to sell, sir. Then I'm out of sales. I'm not a professional at all, according to me. So first is how might looking for a common ground and how it might serve the other party's interest to help you achieve your goals. So to make you achieve your goals, you have to break down the strategy into two. One is identify the decision maker. Second is looking for a common ground. It is how and where I should overcome this check and mate in strategies, right? This is how the sales game goes for you. And there is two more points. Okay, first is identifying the decision maker. Second is looking for a common ground, how it might serve the other party's interest to help achieve your goals. Third one is identify the interest that might interfere with an agreement. Okay, why might the other party say no? Why you are not able to sell that product to that person or a customer or a client? This is of a very pivotal importance, that is keeping a check and mate in the sales game. Winning a check and mate in the sales game is a very pivotal strategy to learn, especially when you are a manager in charge of finalizing corporate closures. I have done that for 2 to 3 years, so taking cue of that humble experiences, I would love to share. Unless and otherwise you are able to predict your decision making skills, you're able to sharpen your decision making skills, you cannot win the corporate sales game. Okay, you will lose in no time to your competitor. Then search for low cost options to solve the other party's problems while advancing your goals. Like, how do you, apart from the company which is going to pay huge incentive, huge dividend, and all major airport check-ins for any celebrity customer, as a manager, are you having any other strategy? Then make your team joyful. Identify them, recognize them. Sales is all about communication with people. Before we even move to communication with markets and products, communicate with your team one to one. Pat them, tell them definitely you can win over. And once we start the sales game, we cannot break. See, if I have started my YouTube channel, I have lost so many of my Facebook accounts, but I'm successfully into this venture. So taking care of all other aggressive comments or unwanted areas, if I just stop it, then I'm the loser. I keep move on. That is what I'm telling. There is no competitor to ourselves. We are the competitor to ourselves. Compete with you before you even think your opponent is your competitor, right? So check and mate is again, I'm coming back. Chess, in chess they say, when the opponent keeps a check and mate to your king, who cannot come out of the threat, that is check and mate in chess. Check and mate in sales is if the client or the competitive company is keeping a check and mate on your product, your strategy, your market conditions, your pricing performances, especially your targets, which is going to affect your profit margins in a huge way, then the concerned manager, the team, the company, and the product is in complete check and mate to the opponent. This is what is all about check and mate in sales strategies or overcoming that in the sales pitches. Let us connect again coming Wednesday 7 to 7:30 UAE time and 8 to 8:30 to 9 Indian time in Let's Sell Successfully. Of course, every Monday, Vanga Sales Pesalam in Tamil. Thanks for watching me. So, as I told you, if I come out of my company, even my opposing company sales manager may be my best friend. We are all are competing to serve a purpose, right? In serving the purpose, let us not give raise to our egos. Let us be human to each other before we are managers addressing a team, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please catch me live again on Wednesday. Thank you.